Utie Oha Extra Ponkno. Needs FM.
It is about fixing the cocoa sector or fix it. If we come to the economy, ultimately catch them and say we are not fixing the economy. How can we not be fixing the economy? The economy in 2018 was the highest growing economy in the world. 2019 was the highest growing economy in the world. Even under COVID, we grew by 1.82%. Your peers within the West Africa sub-region, they are growing negative zeros, a negative percent. And somebody is saying, fix the country. And then they go and stand there and talk as if, say, nothing is happening in this country. Even the agriculture sector, before Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ever taking over governance, because agriculture, is an important sector in Ghana, because about 80% of Ghanaians either do agriculture or agribusiness. And therefore, what happened in agriculture affect almost ye. But taking agriculture, the growth of agriculture was 0.4%. Even under COVID, last year, 2020, agriculture grew by 7.6%. The whole 8 years of NDC, they could not even grow agriculture by 4%. It is not as if say we are not fixing it. We are fixing it. But you see, fixing no enye idea over wish a day like a kun for your kun be and a test. No, it has to take gradual process, and we are doing that. Look at roads. Currently, as we are speaking, the year of roads 2020 was affected by the COVID. And because of that, we rehash it 2021, and we call all the town roads are even some of the trunk roads, other feeder roads. Even payments, contractors are complaining. Just a week ago, last year, about 800 million was given out so that they can use that one to pay contractors. We call Get Fund. We are paying contractors promptly. Who raise you a certificate within 2 weeks after raising certificate, you are paid. These things were not happening in the past. So we are doing it. Free SHS. Those days, Adakabra Minim said those days. Now every time after every September, at least Obusian 4 or down for 4, they will be trooping and calling your number here and there for fees. This time round, it's no longer the case. At least, Nana Danko Akufo-Addo have been able to fix it. You fix it. Exam papers, they be more problems. We are doing a lot. Every sector, we are doing a lot. We are not saying it's a perfect government, but let not any group of youth under the influence of some political people be rush to the street. As if say this government has done nothing. When they say one factory, who called Nova? I'm a Northerner from what who called was a say and they went to see one factory, Juma. One village, one dam, Juma. Not all the villages, or not all the 600 villages, but at least over 400 of those villages, or more, your friends say, dams. And nobody should then come and tell me, say, the one village, one dam, a fiasco. It is not. We are doing a lot.
Tima, yan show. What kind of economy ni asami?
Yes.
Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, a catcher test for Cape Coast. A comparative analysis.
Yes.
NDC pencil. Omokobo Busia. Busia no mo boy, and what you na a interest rate a year a cost inflation na a cost and a growth rate at the form. Now, what they compare a MPP pension, yes, MPP swab Busia at one of the interest rate a form a growth rate a cost inflation a form, and then the economy is pep. And
it's been managed well.
Yeah. MPP better than NDC.
Yeah.
That's me your kind. As a nipa be so. Candidates ni be so. Enti ye ho ase. Na wo wadwene wo ho anything.
Yeah, I totally agree with Alhaji Mahmoud Baomi. Totally. Because Nkrofo, as well the NDC, Omuka say, oh, debt increase. And we're not saying you said debt is not increasing. And indeed, time I power, we never say we won't borrow. OTA NDC for say, oh, you say you won't borrow. Borrowing is a lazy man's approach. That wasn't the message. The message was reckless borrowing. We won't do reckless borrowing. And indeed, as we are speaking, we have never done any reckless borrowing. Push all the borrowings are. Yeah. Some of them, no, to retire the existing long-term debts. Until you retire those debts now, you have the opportunity to reinvest and then deal with the matured debt later. And let me also tell you, say, if under COVID, all countries are borrowing. Call United States, they don't care whatever anybody says. Almost debt to GDP is about 112%. Call UK, almost debt to GDP is about 99.8%. Call other countries, Malaysia, China, over 100%. But your debt to GDP is 76%. The NDC oh, because I debt to GDP is 76%, no. Meanwhile, do you know when we took over from them, debt to GDP was 74%. The difference is only 2. And the crisis, the difference is only 2. 2% debt to GDP ratio. NDC Obibeka will say, oh, but this was after the rebasing of the economy. And I'm saying, the 76% of GDP, and no. Some time to come, that one too will be rebased. It will not be the same. Most of the time, when you are comparing debt to GDP, you compare whether it is under rebasing or not. The debt to GDP are year hand over my and never. And Dr. Baumia talk about the fact say the debt on the increase, but at what percentage? We share the NDC almost 8 years now because they came and took the Ghana city from 9 billion. And within 8 years, it rose to 122. In percentage terms, it's over 1,230. 1,230% increase. Yeah, for a debt to 122. And now we are talking about over 250 something. It's over 100%. But Obia on debt to GDP over 1,230, and it will be about 120 or so. Which one is the best managers of the economy? An economy who manage even though high debt, we are able to ensure, say, some of the economic indicators. For instance, I know now we cannot say inflation. Time a year for government way free and now inflation was 15%. Now second quarter, first quarter, but now inflation is now 7.8. 7.8. Yeah, growth of the economy. Tama Indian NDC handy Maya. Now the growth was 3.4%. Consistently over the years. 8.1, 6.8, 7.1, 7.8. Average of 7% growth. Even under COVID, any negative growth. Our more economy.
Unsatisfactory performance of the Ghanaian economy and target Dr. Baumia.
No, never. Because even IMF, IMF alluded to the fact that there's a rising debt in Ghana. But IMF says they were happy because we have the capability to service those debts. So when it comes to debt, it is not just the quantum. It's about ability to pay. Anything America just say US, UK, anyway, or even though our debts rise high, even in terms of GDP, debt to GDP ratio, their ability to pay is high. And Ghana, so the same thing. Now IMF have said say the capability of doing debt repayment, and therefore they are okay with it. Oko Moody, any fish for they came out with a report, and the report also says Ghana under COVID will be the fastest growing economy in the world based on the in the past year. No.
Does it reflect in people's pockets?
No, you see,
does it reflect in people's lifestyle?
Half of people's pockets is relative. Maybe or packets. Right now, minimum say packet ma. Obi wo ha ne packet nyama. By the dint of the fact say you had been a vice presidential candidate. Me you sure say o packet be yema. Obi wo ha ne packet nyama. Obi so then that was the reason why John Dramani Mahama during the 2016 period no. Or catch young Crawford say during 2012 to 2016. Say he will put money in their pocket. Later on he came out to say one kase or the money is cannot be share on my pocket. Because if you were paying about 1,500 for your child school fees, school fees because government has taken over. Past questions, government has taken over. Even basic education or more registration fees, government has taken over all that. And yet, sika ka ode betria ama school no. Say no, say sika no e packet. But if you decide say first sika no share of packet, now they could to open store. Then that one you can't blame anybody. But the reality is that sika na ka ode betria school fees no. Say there. Government say for sure packet. That is money in your pocket. It's why people talk say because everything cannot be rosy. At least there will be challenges. The last time everything will be rosy, will be the end of the world. But the government will also mean everything at a go. You tackle everything at a pace. Because at a pace, you seek everything aye. Because people talk about say, to your workers say. Obimukra 4% increment government edema public service workers. Oko other jurisdictions they laid off workers. Oko other jurisdiction companies actually laid off. But Ghana, the government ensures say the incentives private companies to ensure say they do not lay off workers. Government Ankasakra decided say irrespective of the productivity during the COVID time because much productivity. Uko offices. Now sometimes they do it in shift. Tell me 20 sometimes 10 and then the next day 10 so. It affected productivity. But in the end, what did government do? Government says, even though you do not produce the year under review, we are still going to do increment by giving you 4%. Even minimum wage has been increased to 6%. And by the 1st of January 2022, we are going to increase it to 8%. Why would anybody sit down to say government and say
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no Needs FM.